guys, my name is Ульяной and this is Puhля. Today we will make very summer cake. Upside down cake with a peach. You can make with any kind of fruits. For example, bananas. It will be also very tasty. For the first step, we will make caramel from sugar, butter and vanilla. Caramel will be ready. When caramel will be ready, we will put on the bottom of my mold. First step, melt butter with vanilla. After add sugar and my caramel. So, my caramel inside the mold. And now we will put on the top of caramel my peach. So, my mold is ready for baking. But something I forgot. My dough for cake. For the dough we will need flour with salt, baking powder and baking soda, hazelnut flour, soft butter, sugar, sour cream or yogurt, eggs and vanilla. For the first step, I will whip butter with sugar. After, I will add the eggs and the next step, extra ingredients. Guys, it's very simple, also for Puhля. Look at this texture, guys. Now I put my dough on the top of my peach. From this quality of ingredients, I have two cake 18 cm diameters. And I will bake it now in the oven. 180 degrees 20-25 minutes. I will wait 5 minutes and after I will take out from the molds. Look at this amazing cake, guys! I wish you bon appetit! And now my favorite part. I will test it. It's very tasty. Cook like you crazy with me. Ciao!